The scandalous tale of Agrippina the Younger. Welcome back, history buffs. Today, we're diving into the scandalous, gripping tale of Agrippina the Younger. Was she the ultimate power player of ancient Rome, or a victim of rumors and propaganda? And the burning question, did she really poison Rome to secure her ambitions? Let's unravel the mystery. Agrippina the Younger wasn't just anyone. She was born into the powerful Julio-Claudian dynasty in AD 15. Her father, Germanicus, was a celebrated general. Her mother, Agrippina the Elder, was a symbol of Roman virtue. But tragedy struck early. Her father died under suspicious circumstances, and her family faced exile and ruin under Emperor Tiberius. Despite the odds, Agrippina clawed her way back into the corridors of power, marrying strategically and aligning herself with the right people. Her marriage to Emperor Claudius was the ultimate game-changer, propelling her to the pinnacle of Roman society. But Agrippina wasn't just along for the ride, she was steering the ship. Once married to Claudius, Agrippina didn't waste time. She maneuvered her son Nero into the line of succession, sidelining Claudius's biological son, Britannicus. She even convinced the Senate to grant her the title Augusta, giving her unparalleled authority. But was she ruthless enough to poison Claudius himself to ensure Nero's rise? Ancient sources like Tacitus claim Agrippina orchestrated Claudius's death by lacing his favorite mushrooms with poison. While the evidence is murky, the timing was suspicious. Claudius's death in AD 54 cleared the way for Nero to become emperor, a victory for Agrippina, but one that came with a cost. Nero's rise to power was supposed to be Agrippina's crowning achievement, but their relationship quickly soured. Nero grew tired of his mother's control and sought independence. The once dominant Agrippina found herself pushed to the sidelines. Rumors of poison, assassination plots, and conspiracy swirled. Nero even tried to kill his mother in the most bizarre way by sending her on a collapsible boat designed to sink. When she survived, Nero resorted to sending assassins to her villa, where Agrippina was brutally murdered in AD 59. Her last words are said to have been chilling, "Strike here," pointing to her womb, the source of Nero's life and betrayal. So, did Agrippina really poison Rome? While the stories of her using poison to eliminate enemies, including Claudius, are tantalizing, we must take them with a grain of salt. Much of what we know comes from Roman historians like Tacitus and Suetonius, who were often biased against powerful women. Agrippina's reputation as a poisoner and manipulator may reflect the anxieties of a patriarchal society that distrusted ambitious women. Still, her rise to power and dramatic fall highlight the dangers of political ambition in ancient Rome. Agrippina the Younger remains one of history's most fascinating figures. Whether she was a master manipulator or a victim of her times, her story is a powerful reminder of the risks and rewards of ambition. Her life shaped the Roman Empire, and her complex legacy continues to spark debates. Was she the poisoner of Rome, or just a scapegoat for its troubles? Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for joining me on this wild ride through history. If you love tales of ambition, intrigue, and power, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other videos on ancient Rome's most fascinating figures. Until next time, keep exploring the past. It's full of surprises.